Corn, one of the most widely consumed foods on the planet. It's not just an ingredient for delicious dishes, but also a vital source of nutrition for billions of people worldwide. But have you ever wondered how those golden, sweet corn kernels in the small cans we often see at the supermarket are produced? Today, we're going to explore a fascinating production process: how 160,000 tons of corn each year are turned into those golden, sweet kernels in the tiny cans you find on supermarket shelves. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on the canned corn production process that you never even considered before. In the United States, corn is not only a staple food but also an essential part of the country's agricultural economy. It is primarily grown in a region known as the Corn Belt, a vast area stretching across Iowa, where millions of tons of corn are harvested each year to meet the enormous demand. Corn is a sun-loving, moisture-seeking crop with a growing cycle that lasts from 3 to 4 months. During this time, the corn plant grows from tiny seeds into towering stalks that can reach heights of 4 to 9 feet. Interestingly, a corn plant has both male and female flowers. The male flowers grow at the top of the plant, carrying pollen, while the female flowers are hidden in the leaf axils, waiting to be pollinated and develop into plump ears of corn. Each ear contains hundreds of kernels, neatly arranged in rows. During harvest season, the cornfields turn a vibrant yellow, and farmers harvest at the perfect moment when the corn is ripe, sweet, and tender. Modern harvesters are used to cut the corn, with sharp blades and an automatic ear separating system, ensuring that the corn ears are not damaged. These fresh, intact ears of corn are collected into the harvester's bins. With a yield of up to 150 tons per day, the massive harvesters quickly clear the vast cornfields. Once harvested, the corn is immediately transported to the processing plant. Specialized trucks quickly carry the corn to the facility, ensuring the processing can begin in the shortest time possible, preserving the freshness and natural flavor. Now, let's sneak into the factory to see how corn is processed. First, the ears of corn are poured onto a massive conveyor belt system to handle the enormous amount of raw material, up to 150,000 tons each year. The factory is equipped with large conveyor belts and specialized bulldozer trucks, which help transport the corn efficiently and continuously. These bulldozers smooth out the corn and push it onto the conveyor belt. Here, workers carefully inspect each ear of corn. Using their eyes, they remove any damaged, diseased, or substandard corn that doesn't meet size or ripeness standards. This step is crucial to ensure that only the highest quality corn continues on to the next stage of processing. Next, the corn ears move to the husking system. Here, high-speed abrasive rollers work to quickly remove the outer husk and corn silk without damaging the kernels inside. These rollers are specially designed and finely tuned to strip away the husk while keeping the kernels intact. The removed husks are not wasted. They are sent to a specialized shredding machine, then transported to farms to be used as animal feed or composted into organic fertilizer, contributing to the development of sustainable agriculture. After the husks are removed, the corn continues to a cleaning stage. Although the husk has been removed, the corn still needs to be thoroughly cleaned to eliminate dirt, sand, leaves, insects, and other impurities that may remain. The corn is placed into a powerful soaking system. These tanks contain surfactants like baking soda, citric acid, and sodium lauryl sulfate, which are alkaline and help create foam. Combined with a strong water flow, this process washes away all impurities stuck on the corn surface, ensuring the corn is clean and safe for consumers. The next step is kernel separation. Here, workers carefully inspect and select each ear of corn once again before placing it into correct position on the conveyor belt. As the corn moves through the kernel separation system, sharp blades quickly cut the kernels off the cob efficiently. Each cutting head is equipped with 6 extremely sharp blades that rotate at high speeds, enabling quick and precise kernel separation. What's special here is that the machinery can automatically adjust the width of the blades to match the size of each ear of corn, optimizing the kernel separation process. With a capacity of over 7,000 ears of corn per hour, this kernel separation machine plays a crucial role in the canned corn production process. After that, the kernels are passed through a vibrating screen system with standard-sized holes. These vibrating screens thoroughly remove debris, shriveled kernels, broken pieces, and any remaining impurities left after the shelling process. At this stage, the corn kernels are uniformly sized, spotless, and ready to move on to the next stage of processing. Next is the blanching process. This step helps preserve the natural color and flavor of the corn. Throughout the storage process, the corn kernels are briefly dipped in boiling water for about 4 to 5 minutes, with temperatures ranging from 158 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. The primary goal of this step is to deactivate the natural enzymes present in the corn. Immediately after blanching, the corn kernels are rapidly cooled. Instead of soaking them in cold water like the traditional method, the factory uses a more advanced and efficient cooling technology. This cooling machine is equipped with a vibrating mechanism which helps spread the corn kernels evenly across the conveyor belt. Combined with powerful fans and a recirculating cooling system, a strong stream of cold air blows over the corn, quickly and effectively lowering its temperature. This ensures the corn doesn't become waterlogged like it would when soaked in cold water for too long. This modern cooling technology not only saves time, but also ensures the kernels maintain their crispness, freshness, and optimal quality, helping the canned corn meet the highest standards. Alongside the blanching process, the cans are getting ready. These aren't just ordinary cans. They're made of stainless steel, with an inner coating of tin to prevent reactions between the metal and the food. In the sterilization area, the cans are sterilized with hot steam to kill any harmful bacteria, ensuring a completely sterile environment for the corn kernels. Thousands of cans in various sizes move along the conveyor belt to the filling station. The modern filling system automatically places the corn into each can, ensuring that each can is filled with the right amount of corn precisely. A very important aspect of this process is leaving a small gap at the top of the can, known as the headspace. This gap plays a crucial role. It provides space for the brine solution and corn kernels to expand during the heat treatment and preservation process, preventing the can from distorting or compromising the product's quality. Once filled, each can is sealed tightly with a can lid. This sealing process is done automatically, using heat and pressure to securely attach the lid to the can. This ensures that air, bacteria, and external contaminants cannot enter, allowing the corn to be preserved for a longer time without losing its natural flavor. Next, the cans of corn undergo a sterilization. The cans are placed into metal baskets and then moved into sterilization chambers, where they are bathed in high temperatures, reaching up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit for a period of 4 to 6 minutes. This is enough to kill any remaining bacteria and enzymes, the agents that could affect the corn's quality. Once the sterilization process is complete, the cans are immediately cooled to stabilize the product and prevent any potential quality changes that might occur from prolonged exposure to high temperatures. This sterilization step is crucial to ensure that the corn remains fresh, safe, and of high quality when it reaches consumers. Before being distributed to the market, each can of corn undergoes a final quality inspection. Here, technicians check key criteria such as nutritional content, kernel structure, freshness, and microbiological standards. This step ensures that each can of corn meets the highest quality and food safety standards. After thorough inspection, the cans of corn move on to the labeling area. This is where they are dressed in their new look. Eye-catching labels containing important product information, such as ingredients, nutritional value, production date, expiration date, and batch number. These labels not only help consumers understand the product better, but also demonstrate the manufacturer's commitment to quality and transparency. Finally, trucks transport the canned corn to stores and supermarkets across the country, delivering a delicious, nutritious, and convenient food source to consumers. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on our future exciting videos. And if you've ever enjoyed canned corn, feel free to share your favorite recipes with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.